Hi man, how you doing? Cryptocurrency. What's up, what's up, what's up? Gonna have a nice chill stream. Check out altcoins, what is Bitcoin doing and stuff like that, you know. Altcoins are dead, man. Altcoins are waiting for all season. FTM pumping. FTM up 8%, I think, yeah, 7%, but it's hitting resistance right now, so you know, I'm not quite sure how well it's gonna do. You can see here, if you go to the 4 hourly, it pumped, yeah, but it's actually trying to get above this 50 moving average up here. It's gonna get above 50 moving average, it's gonna be nice. Hello, the Nikolic. How you doing? The Nikolic. Hi, Sage, how you doing? How you doing, guys? How you doing, guys? I'm gonna just a bunch of coins. I thought, why not do it on a live, you know, so you can guys watch me do it, you know. This is Alice. I don't know what's Alice doing. So the trick is actually finding the lines. A long time since I was looking at this over here. I pumped towards upside. Will we have this year alt season? Of course. What's up, Mihai? What's up, what's up, what's up? Trying. Oi, oi. Hello, man. Hello. What would have to happen to turn XRP to bearish for you? XRP the bear. What would have to happen for XRP to go bearish? I would say 200 moving average. No, I wouldn't. I would say, you know, out of the triangle. You know, it has to exit the triangle down here. So right now that's somewhere around 0.87 give or take up here. That's bearish. That's bad. Actually down here, if it goes below if it closes below on the weekly time frame, why is that if it closes below this line down here, what's that, 94, if it closes below 94 I would be bearish. That's also 20 moving average, I would bearish, but then it got still this 50 moving average, you know, so it can do like this move up here, you know, whatever that is, you know, but you know, I would be bearish, I would be panicking. Below 50 is panic, below 50 is panic, down here is panic, but you know, here, between these two, that's you know, bearish. bearish, and down here and below that's panic. And just look at Gert or BT, love the bits. Yeah, I'm gonna probably go a lot of coins. The thing is, I was just figuring out, like, I need to go through a lot of coins, so, you know, I thought, why not do it live? I'm gonna start with Alice, try to figure out Alice. It's gonna be boring stream, guys, so, you know, so Alice up here. That's a nice resistance line up here. This inverted head shot did not play out. 250. Getting pretty close to that, getting pretty close. What am I gonna say? Let's go to the weekly time frame this one. This engulfing, you know, we don't want to do that. Probably somewhere around here, yeah. Probably something like this. Sitting on support, that's bad, man. Is this doable? Maybe. It fell out of it, so, you know, I don't know. It cannot be this one, it has to be down here. But this is too steep, so it has to be something like this. It has to be some horizontal support, because it cannot be this one. Maybe it's something to try. Maybe it's early. Yeah, at least we know where the resistance is, and, you know, the 200 moving average is actually support. So right now does not look that convincing right now below the moving averages. Let's see on the 4 hourly what's happening here. That doesn't look that convincing. Got here, that's nice. On the this 4 hourly daily. Oh, daily is still down there. Maybe if it crosses. Is it possible to put is it possible to put alert 0? Okay, let's add alert horizontal line. Can we add alert on a MACD condition? MACD, here's the ramp crossing up once over. Let's do this. I never did it on the MACD, so, you know, maybe it's working out. I want to see when it crosses the MACD line. I want to get notifications on that one. Beside that, let's see the weekly 60. Yeah, it does look fine. It is resistance, 20 support, 10 resistance. It's gonna take a little while. It's not ready quite yet. You know, 4 hours, it's not ready. It doesn't look ready. How long will it take to feel confident in your charting? Probably a couple of years, I think. I'm still, you know, there's still, you know, stuff that I cannot figure it out, you know, but I'm trying to figure it out. But I'm pretty confident right now. I think I'm pretty confident, definitely. Man, crypto and watch live streams are always at the same time. Man, crypto and watch live streams are always at the same. Oh, what do you mean crypto? Alts are going to rock. Yeah, alts are going to rock. So everything looks like it's getting ready to pump, you know, but it's gonna be like this one, that one coin and stuff like that. Submat, yes, I do. TLI is Ada still on. Ada is still on. It just, you know, it just using its time. It went. Cardano went below the moving averages here on the 4 hourly. Even on the 1 hourly, it's getting the support on the 200 moving average up here. I don't want it to fall below 200 moving average. It really doesn't matter what it does, because if everything is bullish, it will pump. It is in the triangle. It will pump if everything is bullish, because we've seen, you know, other stuff going towards the upside. So yeah, it's still a little while, you know, it's just going sideways here, yeah, it's going up and down in between, like, it really doesn't matter, it's a triangle, as long as it's triangle, it's fine. So Alice, not right now. Fear, here I was having a big, you know, this is a long time since I drew this triangle, and it fell on downside. I was actually thinking this is gonna go on upside, but you know, it fell down. You can see this wick up here going up to the resistance line right now, and down here this one as well, so it was not breaked. Still looking right now. It's let's see here how it looks on the 4-hourly over here, keeping the 50 moving average. Maybe some kind of support, but doesn't have anything bullish around it going right now. It does have support, so maybe it is at some kind of bottom right now. Daily, yeah, maybe it's some kind of bottom before it actually, you know, bless towards the upside. But right now we don't have anything like bottom catch and stuff like that. Nah, I'm not gonna try to catch the bottom of this one. Wait, this is the 4 hour. Let's see daily. Daily crossed up here. That's nice. Daily crossed MACD 40, 60, daily 50. The MACD crossed around here. Where is it? Here it crossed, so it's good. So it does starting to look good. You know, higher highs, higher lows. Got this very nice support line up here. Support line. Are any divergences up here in the chart? Yeah, there is divergence up here, but it's all already played out. It's already played out. The divergence is already played out. I collect watches. Goes hand in hand with crypto gains. Batch, if you collect watches, you know, you gotta go to if you collect watches, you're gonna love this guy, man. You're gonna love this guy. Richard Hart, man. Videos, let's see the videos. Nah. Does he have watches here? No, he doesn't. Did he change the room? What the F did he do, man? He got so rich on hacks, man, it's insane. Nah, wait, let me find. Where is he watches, man? He used to have watches in the background. There we go. Look at his watches, man. He got, you know, these are Rolexes, you know, that are turning around. Look at this, man. I don't know how expensive his watches are, but you know, they're pretty expensive, man. This guy got expensive watches, so if you like watches, maybe you should go to watch this guy, you know, ask him about watches and stuff like that. Maybe get some inside tips on stuff, you know. Guy's pretty smart. You should definitely watch it. Lovely stream, great soundtrack. Yeah, the music, yeah, it's just chill music, because I gotta do a lot of, you know, I gotta check a lot of coins, but I thought, why not check the coins on live stream while we're doing it, because I don't want to do this too long. It just look, it looks like it's going, it looks like it might be some kind of button. There is very nice, you know, support, very nice bunch of supports right over here in the bottom where it actually getting. And this is the resistance. It's getting close to this resistance. So this looks like a triangle. It looks like it's gonna, you know, exit the triangle up here. So when it says triangle, the first target should be around 1.7 and then pop on the upside. It does look very interesting indeed. Let's see how much this is the pump right now. That's at 40%. This thing can actually go, man. This thing can actually go. Interesting coin. I'm gonna put it, where am I gonna put it at? Interesting coins. I'm gonna make a new section and say interesting coins. And I'm gonna put it under interesting coins. We're gonna put it up here. I'm gonna put it in interesting coins right now. It's not something like it. There are a lot of good stuff, you know. You don't know what's gonna pump, but you know. Interesting coins, nice fears, it looks nice. Gala, let's see Gala right now. Leaves the only project of DeFi. What will be support for Matic right now? This is the weekly time frame, but I would say around these moving averages, 10 and 20 moving averages. If it starts falling below these moving averages, so I would say 50 moving average up here. I think that this is the first one, like the first big support, because you know we blessed through that. This is moving average support as well, so you know you want to hold this because it used a lot of time to get above it, so you don't want to fall below 132. I mean, it doesn't matter if you do, you know, we still got, you know, 200 moving average. We got a trend line down here, so nothing's gonna happen. Gala, Gala pumped like crazy a while ago. How much did it pump? Something like 500%, man. Damn, that's extensive. That's extensive. But look at this pump. Look at this pump up here, and then, you know, died. It always goes back to these levels, man. Always goes back to these levels. So, okay. So I'm not touching this with a, you know, 10-foot pole. Cross down here. It looks terrible. This looks terrible. No, thank you, Gala. ELV. What's with ELV? ELV is just going towards upside. This is interesting. There's ELV on Binance. Let's use this one. Is this the same one? Oh, this is versus Ethereum. Okay, sorry. ELV. I don't know what ELV is, but ELV looks interesting. Let's check out what ELV is. Crypto. I don't know. ELV is USD line. Rolex, Patek Philippe, and AP Steel Sports are a great investment. I'm up 21% on one of my watches. Not crypto, but not bad. Yeah, I know one guy that, you know, he's not into watches, but he's into money. So he bought a Rolex, and it just goes up in value. You know, it's a good investment. He looks at it as an investment, and I think, you know, that's the way you should be looking at it. I just want to see what it is. I think some kind of game. Fight for it. Yeah, it's some kind of game. Illuvium. So we're gonna keep on watching. This is just, you know, there's some kind of staking. Staking is good for price. There's Discord, there's Telegram. Okay. This is daily. This is 4-hourly chart. Illuvium looks good. I'm gonna add this to the list on the trending. No, this one actually. I'm gonna. ELV up here. I don't know what ELV, but you know, we take it's a gaming coin, you know. But we're gonna make something trending to the upside. Okay, and we have to get new section trending up there, and we're gonna put the LV up there. Revo. This is also versus it. I don't wanna check the coins that are versus it. Gala is also versus Super USD. What's this? It says a nice climb if it gets above this 50 moving average resistance. Look how the 50 moving average resistance was actually, you know, playing out all the way since up here. Look at it. Look at it. Up here. So down, rejection. Try it, no, broke it. Below it. So if it breaks the 50 moving average, this one over here, it might actually look super nice. This is super trending towards the upside. There should be some kind of a pattern here. I'm guessing it goes from down here, something like this. I think it's something like this, give or take. So first move should be up to the resistance. This is on Binance once, that's like 40% move. BTC could drop even with the coming pump moon. Of course, but right now there is nothing wrong with Bitcoin right now. There is no bearish patterns. There is nothing, like it is bullish. It is having small consolidation, like, but people are fearful. I understand that after a bull market, it takes a while, you know, until people become super bullish. But you know, people are fearful still, you know, that it's gonna drop any moment now. They can't believe, you know, that it's a disbelief phase, you know. And people can't believe that you are actually going up. So that's that. This looks like a, you know, short-term triangle. This looks, but it should be here. Something down here. Yeah, give or take. Maybe this one up here. Does this look legit? It does look legit though. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see what this is actually doing. I think it's something like this. Yeah, it's symmetrical triangle. It's still below 10-20, trying to get above this 20 moving average on the weekly. Let's see here the weekly. Oh, it's still got this can pump like crazy. Super, I don't know what super is, but you know, we're gonna keep on watching super. It's on Binance, probably some kind of it's close. So we're gonna keep on watching TLM. I think TLM needs time. Give or take, it's the ballpark area. It needs time. It's still below. It's trying to climb. It's getting ready, trying to climb. So it's sitting on this 20 moving average support up here. Looks nice. Yeah, maybe you just move them up on the list. Sand, let's see sand up here. Sand already at the all-time high up here. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Yeah, it has this like short-term triangle. It's not actually short-term, it's a long-term triangle. It's gonna take a while to break out of this, I think. Yeah, what we are looking for, like trending stuff, right? But this isn't trending. John Doe, 50 EGP. Hey TLI, can you do TI on Trias? Sure, man. Trias. I'm hoping that this is something good, man. Evening. Demos, glad to see you, man. Glad to see you. Have you checked it yet? I hear 4.6 as a target and a new all-time high within the next 2 weeks. I haven't checked it yet. I don't know about the target though. I don't know about target. All I know is it failed to break. It looked today. It went above this. You see this line, right? It went above the line, and I thought, oh my god, it is breaking out, and I pulled back. So I think it's gonna be soon, but once it breaks it, and the target for this, it should be the triangle, whatever the triangle is for this right now. But it's not actually triangle. Maybe cup and handle pattern, right? Maybe that's what people are using, cup and handle pattern. 6-2. If you look at this as a cup and handle pattern, right? It's cup and handle pattern, then it's 6-2, the target. It's not 4-6. But that's only the first target. Dodge that is on. Nah, we're chilling right now. We're chilling. Sand. Here because of the thumbnail. So it did work. So thumbnail does work. I believe in Evros and Sartesi. Adek Solsunčin. Pozdrav iz Bosne. O. Ako si iz Mostara, ja ću ti čekirati CKB, jel u redu? Trias. What this guy said? Trias. Qcoin. Qcoin is the new Cryptopia, guys. I don't know how many of you guys know what Cryptopia is, but Qcoin is the new Cryptopia. I think I was a crypto jab who said 4-6. I learned a lot from the crypto jab. I learned a lot of TF, when I first started, 2017, watching the crypto YouTubers and stuff like that. He was one of the first guys, I was watching. He didn't have the, his face on the webcam yet. He was just doing the analysis. I told him he was like 40-year-old guy because his voice, and but I don't think his TA is that, that good. Like he knows certain stuff, but I think he's lacking a little bit when it comes to the TA. So if you're gonna watch, I don't think the crypto jab is a guy for TA. I love he's also the crypto and coffee shows and stuff like that, the joking around, like that's what he gets his money right now. But yeah, 4-6. I don't know where he gets 4-6. Ja tupio ovdje na engleskom živi kralj. But we'll keep it in English, man. We'll keep it. Orašja. Okay, it's close enough. We're gonna check the nevers, because I gotta check nevers as well. Let me just see. This looks like trending towards the upside, man. Trias. Yeah, this is nice. This is definitely nice. But this Trias is on Qcoin. It doesn't help me, man. It does not help me. Trias looks like it's hitting resistance up here right now. Wants to break the resistance up here. You could say that this is, you know, cup and handle, you know, that's gonna break out. Everything is in a cup and handle, man. Everything is in a cup and handle. 50 moving average, maybe. This is daily. Broke to the upside up here, super nice. Weekly looks nice towards upside, no overbought levels. Broken downside, bullish, keeping above the 10 moving average. It looks nice, man. This looks nice. I got, you know, the resistance here is very important to break on Trias. 10 point, what was that? 10.26 actually. Yeah, 10 point, close enough, close enough. This is the important resistance to break. So eventually, you know, when it goes up here, you know, it breaks the resistance. That's the stuff, man. That's the stuff, you know. Now, if this is, you know, the cup and handle pattern, that's, you know, the target, of course. The target, of course, is where's the target? The target, of course, should be somewhere around 18 or 20, 18, yeah, 18 give or take. I think that's the target. That's the target for the cup and handle pattern, right? That's the target, but there is no resistance between these two levels, man. There is no resistance between these two levels. You can see here, I mean, there is nothing, there is literally nothing. Once it breaks 10, it's going to 18, definitely. Like, that's, what's that, 70-80% pump? 60, 70, 70%, 5% pump, man. What's up, Butin, man? How you doing? Crypto Jeb's voice reminds me of Shady the Squirrel from SpongeBob SquarePants. I haven't watched the show that much, so I don't know what you think about. But he has this really, you know, grown up voice. So when he didn't have a webcam, everybody thought he was like a 40-year-old man. Seriously. Hello, bro. What do you think about it? Not so much. Hello, sexy people. So the guy with the super chat, John Doe. I hope this helps, man. I hope this helps. This is the resistance. This is the important things. And now for the guy from Bosnia, CKB. Let's see here on CKB US dollar USD. Let's see here CKB. Do I have CKB on my chart, man? Do I have CKB on my chart? CKB USDT. Yeah, I do. But this is on Huobi. Why am I looking Huobi chart? Let's remove it and add CKB USD. Let's add the Binance chart. Yo, bitch. ICP is a good buy after BTC. I'm just gonna say a quick word about ICP. You know, ICP right now sitting at the bottom. It's not ICP. I was thinking SLP. Sorry, wrong coin. Wrong coin. I was thinking SLP. You know, but even ICP, maybe it's sitting on some kind of bottom. But if it fails to, if it goes below this level down here, you know, that's bad. That's bad. You don't want to go. ICP cannot go below this level 40 or something like that. Let's see this on the weekly time frame. Christopher Official, $5. Can you check Casino Coin? Yeah, sure, man. If it's on trading, I will check it. But let's see, SLP. Where's SLP here? Let me just sort the symbols. Where do I have? There is SLP. So SLP has this very nice resistance support down here and sitting in the support. You don't want to break the support on the downside, you know, and you know, as long as it keeps supporting, can manage, you know, to get back above the 50 moving average, that's gonna be super bullish for SLP. Casino Coin, $5. Casino Coin. It's on Binance. No, there is Binance Coin. There is no such thing as Casino Coin, unfortunately, man. USDT. Christopher Official, is it on trade? If it's on TradingView, I'll check it out, man. But if it's not, I'm sorry. Do you know the symbol for the Casino Coin? Okay, I'll do the hard work, man. Casino Coin. It's on BitTrue. CSC. It's on BitTrue. It's probably not on TradingView, and you know, I cannot do much about this. It looks like some kind of it pumped like crazy up here. Is the price now down at 34.30 003? What the F happened to this, man? Look at this much. Okay, let's see year to date. I don't know what this is, but right now let's see if you can put it up on a trading view. There is a trading view stuff here actually, but there is no chart. I have no chart, man. Sorry about that, no chart. Like if I don't have, can I CSC? Yeah, if there is no chart, like I cannot do anything about it, man. Sorry about that. Please check FTM pumping on the announcement of the Coinbase. Phantom is up 8% the last time I checked, right now 9%. It is indeed pumping. Let's see on the 4 hourly. It does look good. It makes me want to FOMO into this right now. But yeah, Phantom is one of those coins that, you know, has tendency to pump like crazy. It's like BitConnect. It crashed 99% in one day. Yeah, something is wrong with the coin. You know, and something crashes something 99% in one day or something like that. Like something is wrong with the coin, man. Something is wrong with the coin. I gotta do the coins, man. I gotta do it. CKB. Let's go CKB up here. CKB is down here. It should be something like this. Am I mistaken? No, I'm correct. I'm correct in my analysis. This down here should be something like this up here. Take. Yeah. It's a long one though, it's a long one. It's a very narrow triangle. It looks nice. It's getting close to this, but the resistance up here and 200 moving average. It needs to break it up here to be bullish, but right now it's just a bit in the trading range between two levels. Just in the trading range. Let's see on the 4 hourly. It's been climbing. It's steadily climbing, so it's not that bad. There's nothing technically bad about it, you know. Got to cross up here, which is actually good on the day. Let's see the weekly time frame. Yeah, it's gonna go soon. It's going up over, you know, it managed to close about 10-20 moving average right now, pumping from the 20 moving average on the weekly. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks nice, but you gotta get above this 200 moving average to be, you know, be bullish up here. It's very close, 0.01. So it might just happen. Most coins will go to prices that were at May. LT will go down a lot. Antonius, 50 bucks. Can you check the Reef, bro? Do you think it can go back to its all-time high, this bull run? Man, Reef, I got like a love-hate relationship with the Reef, because Reef was supposed to, you know, pump and never pumped because we were at top up here. Up here I was looking like it was looking so bullish, and every time it just wants to pump. It just never pumped, man. It just never pumped, and then it crashed towards downside. Right now it's going up to the same resistance up here, and right now it's breaking the resistance, so it does look good. Will it go to the all-time high up here? I think it might. I might do that, because this, you know, sorry, this cup and handle up here. So yeah, 0.05. It definitely can go to the all-time high. If this right now it is actually breaking, so it does look good. Reef is one of the first coins that are actually, you know, breaking the stuff towards the upside. If you close above 0.029 up here, it might be actually quite bullish, because that's the resistance. So even if you close above this up here, what might happen, and oftentimes happen, you have this pivot point up here that needs to be broken. So we break the pivot point, but then we go down back again, and you might think that that's a bad thing, but it's just waiting for these moving averages. But it's actually showing the bullishness. The fact that you are breaking the pivot point, you know, creating a higher high, that's a bullish thing. So even though, you know, it breaks and people are expecting, oh, it's going to go to the, you know, heaven right now, it might pull back a bit, a little bit up here, go back below the line, but, you know, eventually, you know, get support by the averages, then bounce ups, and then, you know, then explodes. So when it actually is going to explode or not, it's kind of hard to say, but right now it is definitely trying to get above the line. So look for 0.028 today, because today it's trying to break it. You know, look for 0.028. What's that? 0.029 actually. 29.9, 29.1, yeah, give or take. Let's say 0.3, then no, 0.3 is too high. Yeah, give or take. It's at 0.29, 0.29. Yeah, this one is 0.29. Look for a breakout above 0.29. Maybe that's good. But it does look strong. Reef looks like it's gonna be one of the first coins that, you know, that does the thing, you know. Looks like forming cup and handle 2 on Reef. Yeah, everything is forming. That's why we did the distance. We didn't actually do this. Yeah, we did the distance up here. You know, because this is a cup and handle, you know, cup and handle. So this cup and handle, you know, breaks on the upside, and target should be around here at 0.05, something like that. Looks nice, man. Looks nice, definitely. And you know, it's one of the coins that I'll be talking on the Patreon today about. You know, it looks nice. We did this one. So TLM, I checked this one. It's not quite ready yet. So this one, let's see this. You know, old coins. ZEC. I don't know. Let's see down here. Now this over here should not be counted. Maybe this one up here should be counted. This doesn't look like it. This looks like it. I think this is the line. You think guys think this is the line? I think this is the line, man. I think this is the line. No, you have to use this one. This is too steep. You know, this engulfing candle. You gotta use this one. It's not this one. It's bottom. It cannot be bottom. It cannot be this one. It's horizontal support. It must be up here, but it cannot be. It must be bottom down here. Something like that. Give or take, give or take. Let's see in the daily time frame. Yeah, maybe something like this. Down, up, yeah. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna use this one. I say this is the one, but you know, it's not hitting this one up here. Now, if you put it like this, this looks more legit now. This looks more legit. Does this look legit, guys? I don't know. This looks legit to me. It looks like it's breaking, but there is no volume on the breakout. There is no volume on the breakout, so it's probably not line. If you're breaking the line without the volume, it's probably not the line. I think the line should go somewhere up here. I think the line should go somewhere. That's why we are not seeing the moment. I think the volume is gonna come in, kick in later. So this week on the downside is usually wrong on every single coin that I checked. So you know, it's probably not it. Something like this up here, give or take. Weekly. Something like this up here. Give or take, give or take. Let's see the moving averages on this thing up here. Getting close for pump. Zcash is going to blow up. You think Zcash is going to go to blow up? I don't know, man. It's been doing like literally nothing. This is Corona. This is the pump. How much did it do on pump, man? 500%, like Bitcoin, man. Why would you take an altcoin that's acting like Bitcoin? Sol, small breakout. I don't know, man. I haven't checked Sol in a while. FTM right now 10%. Sol is right now minus 2.60. No, Sol doesn't have any breakout yet, man. It went up to the line, but you know, it's retracing, so it's not yet there. It's close, but not yet there. How do you accurate chart if you don't have all the data? What do you mean by all the data? What do you mean by all the data? Oh, this is on the daily. Oh, we got it down 2 times. One here above it. Right now, second time. But it's below all the moving averages, so I don't like it because on the weekly it's all below. You know, it might pump. You know, it might pump. It's getting ready up here. How far back can you go on ZEC TradingView? This goes to March 2019, but I don't know. Maybe there is a better chart. Yeah, this goes to July 2019. You are totally correct. The longer chart, the better the long-term analysis. But usually, you know, right now this is the part that actually matters, because this is the part that's forming the triangle. So right now we are not looking for, you know, a long-term resistances. We're just looking for the breakouts. So you don't need to have like you know, 6-10 years of charting data. Now it would be nice, but we don't need to do that, because right now you can see here we are just, you know, looking at the latest triangle that's forming and everything right now. We just need this over here. We don't need this right now. Sometimes you can need this, you know, to find some certain lines, but you know, right now we only care about, you know, the breakout. I don't know. There are bad coins and this doesn't pump that much. Oh, this was a nice move. We called, let's see up here. We called a move to 30k on the dollar on this one. This was down here, it was going up in something $30, yeah, 31, something like that. We called on the dollar. It continued rising, but you know, right now it's going kind of sideways. Will I do the fib from top to... Yeah, we don't do the fibs on this channel, man. Fibs are banned on this channel, man. Fibs are banned. What's up, Salim? How you doing, man? Music is more like we're heading for a slow dying dump. Music is only for relaxing, man, because you know this is engulfing, so you can just do it like this up here. I hope you guys are paying attention because you know I'm showing you the tricks right now. Sorry to come back with a question again. You can come back with a question after the first, you know, donation. You don't have to donate every single time, but I do appreciate the money. You know, I'm not saying no to the money. Like, who am I to say no to the money? You know. I put limit buy at 0.27 and 25 for Reeve. Hope it pumps from there. Learn the greedy buying low sucks. Learned that greedy buying low sucks. I put limit buy at 0.25. Also, hope it from 0.25. Okay, let's see the Reeve. If I can find the Reeve. How's NKN doing it? 12%, was up 20% today. Reef, I literally can't find it. 12% rate, there you go. 27, 25. You hope it pumps from there. Did you already get in or what? Because if you are hoping this to retrace down here, it is possible. I'm not saying it isn't, because these moving averages, you know, it can always, you know, right now it's extend to the upside. So you know, right now, you know, getting to anything right now, even top up here, you know, even though it can pump, you know, but you know, let's see on the 4-hourly up here. You can see here this 20 moving average gets hit, you know, it's hit. So you know, maybe it goes some kind of sideways, but you know, I don't know if it's gonna go all the way down here. Crypto TN, no spamming, man, okay? You can do whatever you wanna, you can say whatever you wanna do, but just no spamming, like. See the trend up here. Yeah, it is getting a little bit. Now I'm curious why you don't do fibs low. Fibs. Am I gonna explain that again? Fibs? There is no reason to do fibs, man. How do someone else arrive at BTC high of only 80k this cycle? Well, you know, you got you know, people like Benjamin Cohen saying 90k or something like that, but you know, they use on-chain data. They use, you know, how much price can go, but you know, for me 80k is only the first target. Can I show you something? No, you can't, man. I got stuff to do now. Don't show me anything, man. Brain Crypto TN. Yeah, no, you know, he learned his lesson. He's not gonna spam anymore, man. He learned his lesson. We don't ban unless we necessarily have to ban. So, Antonius, where is Antonius? He's saying anything else. Sorry, already I want to fill up my bag. Okay, so you're hoping to get it back down here. Well, here's the you know, pro advice right now. Always buy on the moving averages. You see down here. See these lines, these are moving averages, right? When price is up here, you don't want to buy. Now this is the weekly time frame, so you know, long-term holders buy on the moving averages down here, right? They buy just on the moving averages here, right? They never buy away from the moving averages because the price, you know, can go sideways and stuff like that, you know, and you know, they might miss it, sure, but then you didn't buy at the right time. So you buy on the moving averages on the weekly, on the daily down here, right? or even on the 4 hourly, you know, on the moving average, but you always buy on the moving averages, right? So when price goes something like here and on the 4 hourly down here, you know, you still want to buy on the moving average. So when price goes down to the moving average, that's the time to buy, right? You never buy the extensions, you never buy up here, right? You never buy here. So I would, you know, I always say like the best time to, you know, to buy is on the weekly time frame, around the, you know, the moving averages down here. Then comes the daily, and then if it's already pumping something like that, at least the 4 hourly. I mean, sometimes it can pump really fast, like really fast, that you have to get like Shiba did, right? If you look at Shiba, right, and the pump on the Shiba, I mean, it was climbing on the it was climbing on the 20 moving average on the 1 hourly time frame. I mean, that's so extremely fast. But you still buy it on the moving averages, even though it's on the 1 hourly, right? You don't buy. I mean, even though you buy here, you know, you would still be in profit after a while. But what happens if you buy here away from the moving averages? Because at one point you're no longer in profit, and this happens, right? So always buy the moving averages, and you know, don't let it fall below there, stuff like that, right? But do try to buy it on the daily and the weekly on the moving averages. Guys, we are in disbelief phase, and in disbelief people can't believe anything. People don't even believe that we are at 60k. How are they gonna believe that we can get to 80k, 100k, and 150k? And by the way, when this disbelief phase goes away and we start talking about 200, 300, 400k, then you know that we are done. We are done. Okay, let's continue with the coins. I got a lot of coins to check, guys. I got a lot of coins to check. Let's see here on the weekly time frame. What's this doing? XVS. What is XVX, guys? XVS. Let's remove these lines below moving averages on the weekly. It's trying to break it up. Looks like it's gonna climb. Look, this looks like, you know, I like this. You know, it goes creates some kind of button. It breaks. It's climbed the moving averages. Right now, this moving average come here. This looks like it's gonna, you know, pump up here. So it looks like it's gonna pump. It's so ready, man. It's so ready. Looks so good. Mutant kind words, thanks man, appreciate it. So this XVS looks like it's gonna go, man. It looks like it's gonna go, and this first, you know, first thing here on XVS looks like somewhere around here. Let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. Maybe something like this up here. It's a really weird chart. XVS, really weird chart, but it does looks like this is it. So it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump, it's gonna pump. How big pump is this up here? 50% pump. XVS, this is nice. I gotta put this one in a group of interesting coins. I hear the name X a lot, but I have no idea what the project are. X is a game, man. X is a game. X Infinity, this is the one, man. X Infinity is a game. And if you go to the chart, you know, it's a game. They play it on, I think in Thailand or Philippines or something like that. They play this game a lot. And then, you know, it's on blockchain, something like that. And, you know, they have some kind of money for it. And, you know, it's pumping. It's some kind of gaming coin, yeah. You see 300 ETH, the most expensive XE ever sold. 300 ETH. 90,000 plus ETH traded on our in-house market. Look here, 90,000 ETH traded on our in-house marketplace. 250,000 daily active players. Every single day, 250,000 players are playing this game. I don't know what it is. 250,000 players, man. Insane. Insane. This looks nice. I like XVS. I don't know what XVS is though. I don't know what XVS is. It's not like it matters, you know. XVS. Venus. I don't know what Venus is. Money market. This decentralized market for lenders and borrowers. Whatever. The chart looks good, man. The chart looks good. We like the chart. Interesting chart. We like that. Okay, let's move on. XVG, Verge, the Pornhub coin. This is all it's known for. This actually broke above the moving averages up here. That's nice on the day. Let's see the weekly. So close. This, you know, these 200 moving averages actually looking really scared to me. Everyone wants VET PCB, doesn't like VET's historical chart. Not sure what that means. I just feel like every coin is just so ready to fly. Yeah, they are so ready to fly. That's why we are waiting for alt season. We are waiting for Bitcoin to take a breather. You saw what happened today, guys. You saw what happened today. Bitcoin is right now down minus 0.6%, right? But all of the other coins are started like to pushing a little bit in green, right? So that I kind of went heavy in gaming ISX Gala Mobox. Yeah, gaming coins did have a big pump, so I think a lot of people are right now aware of the gaming coins, but I don't know how well they're gonna perform. XVG, what I'm gonna say about SVG? Where's the trend line for this clip? This is too steep, you know. I don't like too steep lines. Wow, this isn't even over above all-time high. This is what I hate about some of these coins, you know. They're not even above all-time high, man. Why would I invest in something that cannot even go to all-time high? During the move, not even all-time high, man. I mean, sure, maybe it goes like this and pumps like... This looks like a crazy pump, but it's not actually a crazy pump, guys. It's not actually a crazy pump. This is gonna look... up to there. How many percent is that right now? Okay, 600-700%. My stellar was the only gem of mine. No one else heard about it, but pumped really nicely. Yeah, gems are nice. I'm proponent of, you know, buying new coins on the release very cheap and then just hodling them for, you know, a year or two, you know, good projects, and then, you know, because, you know, the profits are extreme. I heard Steam is restricting blockchain games. Yeah, I heard that as well, and I think that might be some kind of FUD, you know. We'll see. Tezos is looking actually quite nice. This is the weekly on Tezos, so let's see what Tezos is doing, because, you know, BitPo is actually, you know, proponent of Tezos. So right now I had a big pull to downside. Is there any divergence up here? There's no divergence, so it is climbing nicely on the 10 moving average up here. It is climbing nicely on the 10 moving average up here, but we're gonna see, you know, how it actually, you know, does, what actually does eventually. See here, it is hitting some kind of, you know, resistance on the upside. Let's see daily. Daily has a lot of divergences though. Daily has a lot of divergence. There is no divergence up here. There is no divergence up here. There is divergence here, no divergence there, no divergence, so there is no divergence actually. It's actually just doing what it's supposed to. It cannot fall below 50 moving average. It cannot fall below, if it falls below 50 moving average, you know, the run up is done. The trend is done. If it falls below 50 moving average, the trend is done. See, 50 moving average, it cannot fall, but right now it does not look that strong, sitting below the 10 and 20 moving average down here. It does holding a little bit. I mean, it can always pump from over here, but until it pumps, you know, it shows some strength, you know. Nah, not yet. Zam to the upside. FTM, yeah, everybody's saying FTM is pumping 10% right now. I see that, man. Let's see, it should be down here, right? Maybe up over here. What's this? Breaking it, and then so close, so close. Let's see how this looks on the weekly time frame. Am I correct about this? Yeah, this should be up here. This should be down here. Down here. Yeah, this is the one. This is the trend. Then of course you got a support line, but who cares about support, man? Who cares about support? Yeah, okay, let's draw the support as well. Should be somewhere down here. I'm guessing it's down there. The triangle looks nice though. The triangle looks very nice. Yeah, probably this one. Probably this one. There. Just it's not yet pumping, guys. Yeah, not yet pumping. It's close, but not yet there. It wants to get above this. A lot of coins right now on the daily time frame got this 50 moving average and then this 20 moving average, and they all wanna pump. They all wanna pump, man. All wanna pump. So close, but not yet there. Nam. But it's not above, you know, all-time high. It's so crap. When stuff is not cannot go above all-time high, like. Pulse, anything polka related pumps, man. Anything polka related pumps. 22% towards upside, man. This pumped hard, man. This pumped hard. So if you like to chase the pump, you know, that's your thing. Chase the pump, but yeah, it looks like it's correcting right now. It looks like it's correcting right now. It did nice pump though. It did nice pump. How much was this pump, man? This was something like 62%. Don't chase the 62% pumps. You know, remember what I just said, you know, always buy on the moving averages. So this might, I'm not saying this is not going to continue going towards the upside, but right now I'm looking at this this 20 moving average, this red one up here. I'm looking at this red one. So, you know, maybe just on 10, because right now it's pumped a lot. So maybe on the 10 moving average before it continues, if it's going to continue. Let's see here on the weekly time frame. Yeah, it's breaking that, you know, it's breaking everything. Yeah, look here, it pumped above this resistance, man, this resistance, like crazy pump. So let's see here on the 4 hour, yeah, see 20 moving average down here, 20 moving average exactly at the resistance, so maybe some kind of pullback either to the resistance, sorry, to the support or close to the support, and, you know, bounce again. So it looks like it's going for a retest on the downside. It looks like going for a retest on the downside. It's nice. Everything else on the, let's see, daily looks good. Overbought levels is 80 on the daily. That's a little bit high, you know, that's a little bit high. So it has to, you know, I think it has to retrace a little. It already retraced a lot. It already went down something like 24% down. So how much down is gonna go, you know? This is the trick. Once start pumping, you know, and these pullback happen, you know, if you think this is gonna continue towards the upside, you know, this is the zone to buy, man. This is the zone to buy down here. Between the 10 moving average, I would even argue down all the way down to 50 moving average just because. But right now, you know, this 10 and 20 moving average, what's that? I would say between these two, you know, 2.5, 2.7. Not financial advice. You do what you want to do with your money. But you know, the pullback is happening. But everything polka related, PDEX also pumped a lot. Polkadot, nice content. Thank you, TLA. Sayed, you're welcome. Never stop trading with Tobias after seeing his pump. Okay, I think that's you know, spam. So we're gonna block that. What do we say about Tezos? This is 4-hourly Tezos sitting in some kind of bottom. Tezos. Zem was interesting, right? Zem was interesting. See here, 50 moving average, 20, and then bounces. How much was this bounce? 23%. So maybe that's the first stuff. Let's see. Ground is all the way up there. XC pumps, DYDX. DYDX has this bottom support weak, but it's not that one that's interesting. Looks weak right now. Okay, let me just continue. Zem right now. Zem is interesting. I'm gonna put Zem up there. Just because it might pump. Zem. Trying going up to resistance, so it's fine. Wink. Oh buddy, old friend, how you doing? Again, 100% up. Okay. Without drawing any lines, you already see, you already see the line. You already see that these bottoms create some kind of support, and these tops create some kind of resistance. And you already intuitively know that there should be a very important line there. So the trick is about finding the line, right? The trick is about finding the line. Something like this up here, right? Something like this, maybe up there. No, it's not like this. It's down here somewhere. Maybe something like this. Let's see on the daily how this looks. Should be up here. Maybe this one up here. Yeah, there we go. There is the line. See how nicely this is. See how nice the line is. This looks. Wink looks very close. It's already above the 50 moving average. Wink looks very close. Wink looks very close. That's nice. Yeah, it looks close. It looks very close to breaking out of here. They are talking all soft. Yeah, my voice is kind of been shady the last couple of days. Music too loud. Is music too loud, guys? What the f, man? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Casino coin, $5. Casino coin. It's on Binance. No, there is Binance coin. There is no such thing as casino coin, unfortunately, man. I don't think the music is too loud. I don't think the music is too loud. I think music is fine. Yeah, turn the. How can music be too loud? What the? Okay, I'll turn it a little bit down, but you know, is this better? Is this better? Don't tell me to turn the music off, man. I like the you know, the chill, relaxed atmosphere. You know, right now, you know, I'm in the mood. There we go. We put it like this, you know, so we're gonna see if that works out. It's really too loud. The music is not loud. What you guys talking about? The music is not loud. What you? There's the LV. The LV is crypto. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. Music, it's distracting. You're not supposed to listen to me, man. You're supposed to listen to music. Put me up on the big screen, you know, and just chill. You know, this is right now. This is the background channel. You know, this is what you turn on to have it in the background. The dump music was fine. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna just look at this. There is no part. I asked this. Is the music too loud? As I see it, yes. Okay, guys, you're right. But I turned that down a little bit, so it's fine. It's fine now. XRP is not doing anything. 16%. This looks nice. Winks look nice. I think it's hugging the core. Wink waves are doing it. The trend up here, it broke the trend. How much did it do on the trend? See here, it did nice. %, yeah, on the breakout, so it's nice. Let's see the volume on the breakout. Yeah, the volume is there on the breakout, so it was legit line. I'm not imagining my stuff. But the triangle is a little bit sketchy up here. It should be something like down here. Although it does, maybe something up here. Give or take. It's not actually that good, but you know, we take what we get. Right now creating higher high, getting pulled back to the moving averages. This looks actually like it broke out. So I think waves broke out. So we're gonna keep on following the waves. The waves broke out of the trend to the upside. Is there a way to make this? I don't know. Why would I use this one up here? This is engulfing, this is down here. Volume did kick in, man. The volume did kick in on the breakout. I think it did break out, although it does not look like it over here. But you shouldn't use this candle up here, you know, it's a coffee candle, but big engulfing candles. But you got nothing else after it though. There is nothing else after it. What are you gonna use? This one? You cannot use. You gotta use this one up here, but you know, it's not optimal. It's not optimal. It's like this, and then you break out. Should be a breakout. Did you actually break it out or not? That's the question. Did we actually break it out? Now the horizontal resistances are not broken yet. That's for sure. Horizontal resistance is actually, you know, technically broken and then went right back down again. Quick on quick. Wow, this looks bad, man. Weekly. Okay, it got some kind of hopium down here. For all the 10x jump. I mean, might be 10x jump. This is more. This is go to July 24. Pump and dump. Finding some kind of bottom right now. It is at some kind of bottom. Let's see here on the weekly time frame. Yeah. Is the trend broken? Is the trend? But that's what I want to know. I want to know if the trend is broken. The trend is not yet broken. Let's see down here. Maybe the trend is broken. Is the trend broken? We gotta go to the daily for this one. Yeah, the trend is broken. So it went down here, right? This is the support. When it hit the support, it broke the trend on upside over here with volume. It broke the trend. Right now going kind of sideways. I think it's gonna do now. It's make another high up here. It's gonna create some kind of triangle up here, and then, you know, after that, you know, it might actually go up here. So right now it does look nice above these 10 and 20 moving average on the daily time frame. You can see here it went below it and then right back above it. But you know, this 50 moving average, it needs to break this 50 moving average to be bullish, I think. But it's too early. I think it's too early. I don't think it's just gonna pump. I think it needs to break this up here. It got a few levels to break though. It got a few levels, definitely got a few levels to break. What's that? Up there, there. 437, 510, like it has a few levels to break on the upside, but and this 50 moving average. I think it's a little bit too early, but maybe it can do to 10x after a while. I think Bits is a way to go before all these all start pumping. Yeah, I think so too, man. I think, you know, 80k. I think, you know, Bitcoin needs to hit like 80k before all is gonna start pumping. Nice, nice. It should be something nice. It's way off, it's way off. This is up here. It's broken, then something like this down here. Cannot be this one, cannot be this one. There's a breakout in this one, but you know, it doesn't see it. I like that he's gonna get the cross here very soon, so I think this, you know, we should be following, you know, Van chain. I think he's gonna get the cross soon. Looks good on the weekly. Looks good on the daily. It got this 200 moving average right up here, so the trend line should be there. 4 hour, it looks like it's gonna go up. Just got above the 50 moving average. Van chain looks super nice. I don't know why, but I think Van chain right up, 5% up. I'm gonna put it interesting. Like this looks like it's gonna go, man. This looks like it's gonna go. Interesting, Van chain, but I don't know where the trend line is, man. I don't know where the trend line is. Look at the chart, man. Look at the chart. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is the line. It's gonna be a while to get there, but you know, 200 moving average up here. I don't know. I like Van chain technicals, but I'm not quite sure on the lines though. I'm not quite sure on the lines, and I don't see it. I don't see it. Let's see the resistances. Where are the resistances being created? Like, this was the previous. Broke it down. Broke it again. How many times are you gonna break it? Right. This 200 moving average looks important. How much is up to 200 moving average? 10%. It's already breaking top here. Looks interesting though. have two line chains up here. Yeah, actually got two line chains. This one, Fabi. Hey late, do you believe Bitcoin cycle will last longer than December and then maybe alt pump January, March? Anything is possible, man. It's, you know, everything, you know, we do say and do from right now, you know, we guess, you know, we guess what's gonna happen. But if it starts pumping like 2 months, I don't think, you know, we know that, you know, altcoin season comes while Bitcoin is still going up, so it's not like Bitcoin can start going down and we're gonna have altcoin season when Bitcoin's going down. Altcoin season comes when Bitcoin is already going up, you know. It just takes a little bit breather and continues going up, and then altcoin season starts, because a lot of money, you know, people are taking a lot of profits from Bitcoin and putting into altcoins. So it has, you know, altcoin season has to, you know, has to last. Is gonna start during the Bitcoin's run towards the upside. Now the question becomes how far, December, or is Bitcoin gonna pump more than December, maybe January, March, you know, January, February, March, stuff like that. Kind of hard to tell. We think it's gonna be until December, but you know, nobody knows. Wabi, I don't like Wabi, I don't know why. Let's see Wabi just so I don't miss anything. I just don't like the chart. I just gonna remove this. I don't like the chart. This pumped like crazy, man. This pumped like January, 3000%. We gotta follow this. VT, hey Joe, what is this, guys? What is this? Yeah, this is something around here. That's engulfing this up here. Could go down there or down here. This. If you take it like this, it got a lot to go. It's not that accurate though. It's not that accurate. This is a lot more accurate though. This is a lot more. I like this one. Yeah. Say what you want to say. I like this one up here. I think this is legit. And then the bottom line should be something down here. We got a nice triangle going on. That's all we care about. We're not sitting on 20, trying to break the 50. Let's look at a 4 hourly. It's just a mess of the chart. I think it's some kind of inclination zone, something. People don't know if it's gonna go up or down. We just need small push. We're gonna keep on following it. Oh, Uno pump. Did Uno re pump? Uno Rare pumped above the 1020 on the weekly. Resistance. It's not. Is resistance getting broken? It's so close. Is there anything up here? Gotta use the tops though. We gotta use the tops. Maybe it's broken. Like, I don't think it's this one, but. But doesn't matter how you put it. Uno Re on Qcoin broke it. Doesn't matter how you put it. Uno Re broke it. So Uno Re right now broke above the resistance up here. Very nice. Uno Re broke it. So this is on Qcoin, I think. I don't think. Uno. Yeah, it's only a Qcoin. This is nice, but not interesting. TrueFi trying to break this up here. Still not broken the downtrend. It pumped. This coin pumped like crazy, man. This coin pumped like crazy. This pumped like 700% in a day, and then, you know, suddenly it goes down. To me, this seems like some kind of pump and dump, you know. Let's pump it up here and just now slowly cash out. So what I'm expecting again right now, you know, it's bam, and then it might beat, you know. Right now it's looking, this looks up support, this looks like a resistance, you know. It looks like it wants to go. You see here, it wants to go. See volume up here. Kind of kicking it a little bit. It's very close though, it's very close. Only 50 moving average on the daily holding it back. TrueFi, I'm gonna put TrueFi on interesting coins. Hey Tila, I just joined. How are you? I think Uni doesn't look bad either. Some triangle with hair shots on the daily. Hey Brim, how you doing, man? Uniswap, Uni, right? I got a Uni up here somewhere. Let's find this chart. I thought I had on chart. There should be Uniswap somewhere on my charts, but I'm, you know, move stuff a lot around. There's it. I find takes. Let's see up here. Uniswap. Oh, nice! It's breaking the 10 moving average on the weekly time frame. Nice move right there. Nice move. Oh, breaking 200 moving average. Nice move. Antonius Lutas, welcome to TF Fans Club, man. Enjoy the green name. Enjoy the emojis. And since you're a new member, you get to pick the coin. All new members get to pick the coin. It's close to breaking this trend line up here. It's close to breaking trend, but it's not quite there yet. But it's nice move. It's already doing nice move. It's getting there. It's getting to the top, man. It's getting to the top. Yeah, it does look very nice. It went down. Got this spring up here. It's trying to go up. So yeah. Uniswap definitely looks very nice. See, 4 hourly should be trending towards upside. Yeah, 4 hourly trending. It's going for the resistance. Resistance around what's that? 29.5. We are looking for these triangles on all of the stuffs, man. All of the stuffs right now. Telcon or cake? Love your approach, yeah, bro. You have your own style, and I agree with it a lot. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I had to go through a lot of BS, you know, to find stuff that are actually good. I need a green name, please. You go just join the YouTube. Always need the same thing. This shit. Bam. Bam. Join. There we go, I think this one. Yeah, it's this one. There you go. You can, if you want the green name, you go and do the join there. Somebody said Telcoin. Telcoin or cake. Okay, let's do Telcoin. Telcoin, Tether, Qcoin. Why is everybody on Qcoin, guys? Man. Yeah, I already was looking at this. It looks good. It looks very good actually. It pumped. Yeah, I remember this one. It pumped to the resistance, right? It's above all the moving average right now, riding this 200 moving average. It needs to. It has a little while to go for this moving average to come up here and actually kick it out of the triangle. But it's getting pretty close. It's getting pretty close to there. You know, it already did the move. Right now, I have some kind of pullback too on the moving average. So we're gonna see. You can see the pullback right now. We're happening. It may go all the way down to the 50 moving average or something like that. Really doesn't matter. realize more. But it had the first move, so right now, you know, it's gonna do something like this up here on the side up here before it actually breaks out. And this can take a while. Sorry man, but this can take a while. And this move looks like, you know, November, December up here, something like this. I don't know how it's gonna play out, but you know, it had a nice move towards the resistance, bounced off that, sitting on 200 moving average. You don't want to break down. You don't want to break down below the 20 moving average down here. 0.018. Let's be a betting. Bullish cross on the daily up here, weekly still above it. Going towards the upside. So we are looking for the bullish cross on the weekly. We are trying on the weekly to break this 10 and 20 moving average. It looks nice, it looks okay. Still in triangle, so you know, it's just trading range. Dominic, you great, $2. Thanks, man. Can you look at Omi? Sure, man. Omi, OKEX. Wow. There needs to be some better. Sendex. This is more. It's the same chart, right? 00073. Omi 00073. Yeah, it's the same chart. Omi, but this one has Binance. This has more data. So let's see here what's happening right now. It does look nice, man. But this is already pumping like crazy. It's pumping on this 20 moving average right now. You know, you see this red line, the 20 moving average. It's pumping on the 20 moving average. So this is the trend line towards the upside. Let's see if there is any divergence or anything like that might actually mess this up right now. There is no divergence, it's still pumping. We got bearish cross down here, just like over here. So you know, not big a problem right now. It might be some kind of bottom here before it actually turns around and goes towards the upside. Volume is following it. Let's see the volume on the weekly time frame. Wow, the volume is actually terrible. I don't know. The volume is just flat. Resistance is up here at 0.011. What more do you have? What more do you have? Everything is broken. You got only this one at 0.11, so that should be the next target at least, just by looking at this. Is there anything up here? I mean, it could be. You know, it's the bottom. It's not. This is actually down here. So that got broken, right? Yeah, that got broken. So I don't think that's the one. And then you got the trend line up here that's going that you do not want to break on the downside though. There's a trend line down here. You see it? There you go. Let's pull like this and say that. So right now, Economy is sitting down at the bottom, so we are looking for another move towards the upside. If it starts breaking this on the downside, the trend is changing. That means that this bullish trend towards the upside is changing. You know, it might go sideways up here, it might go something like this, something like this, something like this. We don't know how the trend is gonna change, but the trend is changing. So you know, if you want to continue in the same speed, you gotta hold this line, because breaking this line is never a good thing. It might do something like this up here, you know, and whatever. On the break of the line, and then you know, right from the bottom side, but you don't want to break the line on the downside. It looks nice though. This is one of the few coins that are you know, uncorrelated with everything, but that's because it's on it's on OKEX and on Subplace. I clicked like because thumbnail. Kebman is in the cows. Kebman, how you doing, man? What did you buy? What are you holding, man? What are you holding? What's your what kind of bags do you have right now? Kebman is the man. If Kebman says he buys something, we sell that instantly. Got a few, you know. Let's see. Such an ugly chart, man. This looks not like this one at all. STMX. Should I buy bits now? Should I wait until 100k? I bought Shiba Inu. Good job, man. Good job. I hope you bought a bottom though. I hope you bought one. What's your buying price on Shiba Inu? Let me check. Let me check. Because I think actually Shiba Inu hit the bottom now. So you know, let me check. I think you might have bought the bottom, man. Shiba Inu 0.99. No, it's breaking down again. I'm thinking this 21 IT, you know, this down here might become some kind of sport. Right now, try to get above it. It looks kind of weak up here. We're gonna see if it's gonna manage to break the upside up here. Shiba Inu, man, Shiba Inu. You bought Shiba Inu. Everybody sells Shiba Inu right now. It looks like it's breaking on the downside. Should I buy BTC now? Should I wait? Why would you buy BTC? Like BTC does like right now like 2x and it's done. You know, altcoins is where money is, man. Is it possible that Russia, China, and India are going to ban BTC? Well, China already banned BTC and BTC 60k. So does it really have any effect if Russia and China and everybody bans Bitcoin? Maybe if everybody, but you know, right now, you know, US is saying that they're not gonna do that, so you know, it's all good, man. I get call from he said Doge is the next meme coin to pump. Yeah, a lot of people are talking about Dogecoin, but I just, you know, said today that, you know, I don't think it's ready yet. Dogecoin needs a little bit more while to pump. So Dogecoin is not ready yet. Dogecoin is not ready. Let me, where was STMX? Big moves up here, probably not the right here moves. This should be something like this up here. Yeah, soon, but not yeah, scale. Oh, this looks like pump. Look at this pump here. Let's see it on the volume. Yeah, let's see the volume. Nice volume. This pumped. This pumped. What is this? SQL. I don't know what SQL is. Let's remove everything up here. Go to the chart. I think it's bottom. It's not the bottom. It's not the bottom. It might be the top. But it's just broke the trend up here. It broke the trend and it's not that, right? It's not be. Gotta be something like this up here. Dude, no. It's here, right? I don't think it's up here. I think it's down here. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, it does look like this one. It does look like this one. But why doesn't it checks on the check marks on the? It looks like breaking. It looks like breaking. This is nice. This is definitely nice. I like this. I like this one. Look at this. It broke with the volume and then it's continued pumping. How much did this pump before retracement? 37% pump today, man, before it's retraced. Yeah, the breakout was legit. The breakout was definitely legit. So this is already broken out. I'm gonna put this in broken out. So we gotta follow because they're gonna do some nice moves once it breaks out. There are not a lot of coins that are broken out, like Enkian broke out, Polkadot broke out, SQL right now looks like it broke out. Looks nice. Not many coins are breaking out, but you know. Yes, so. So not yet room. Rune has this very nice nice line. You cannot miss this one. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. It's nice, but the chart doesn't look that nice though. below. Look at the cross. Maybe the cross is gonna push it up. 50. Oh, 50 moving average. Nice. Looks like he wants to go down. Looks like he wants to go. Interesting, definitely interesting. 50 moving average up here. The volume is kind of ever since here. The volume is kind of weird. Imagine if there isn't an Altron. Yeah, that's also a possibility, that there won't be any Altron, you know, that will just, you know, out of these triangles fall on the downside. We hit the top and then, you know, turn around, totally bearish, and bam, everything, you know, we cracked down. Yeah, we checked one yet. I haven't checked, but I can look at it right now. Monthly is going up. It closed on the downside down here, but the momentum is going. It's you know, this is the 4 hour. This is the daily. Looks like bearish cross coming in. Turn around, maybe hit some kind of top up here. There's this weekly divergence up here, and right now, you know, this looks like it's gonna turn around, so it looks like it's gonna drop a little bit on the downside. So clean up everything up here. So it is creating this triangle up here. I think it is creating this triangle. I didn't see this triangle before, but now I see it, of course. So this is gonna be interesting, but it's not perfect triangle. It should be something like this thing. I don't know. I wouldn't like it to fall below the bottom line down here. I won't, you know, like it to fall. You know, it has to, you know, at one point go up. This on the 4-hourly time frame. This is support is breaking that. It's, you know, you got to want something down here. And then after that, you got to go all the way down to 14 for the support. So you gotta, you know, it has a very nice support here, and down here at 0.2. Also, the 20 moving average might actually help it out. But you know, yeah. So if it breaks this to support, like it can go all the way down 0.14. I don't know why it should do that, but you know, it should, you know, because you can see here it pumps a lot, and then you get some kind of pullback down to 50 moving average down here. But right now I don't think it's gonna, you know, it was getting these pullbacks to 50 moving average, but right now I think it wants to climb on the 20. So I think, you know, this pullback might go all the way down to 20 moving average and then pump. But we'll see. This triangle, this is a 4-hourly triangle, so yeah, it looks like going through consolidation period. You know, it's consolidation, correction, call it whatever you want to call it. It looks like going through consolidation period. The volume should be going down here right now. The volume actually kicked up like crazy up here, but the volume has been going down all the way here, and here the volume is kicked up, but I don't know how to read this volume up here. How are you gonna read this volume? Maybe this is on the 4. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, the volume is going down with the dump, so it's nice, and it's volume is going up with the pump and going down with the dump, so it is still good. It looks like it's just going to some kind of consolidation phase where it's, you know, kind of find some kind of bottom or bump, but right now there is no indication that this has found the bottom yet, you know. We need harmony in the chat. We have enough harmony with the music in the background, man. You should do collab with CoinsKid. We do enough collab, man. We do enough collab. How far did I get it? Rune, RSR. RSR is one of those coins that people. Oh, look at it. There was this falling wedge down here. Broke out of that, so you know that's that as well. Just need this big. This is something there. Something, definitely something there. Soon, but not yet. RLC. Oh, RLC looks good, man. Let's see weekly. But got nothing here. Huh. Look at this, man. This thing just pumps, man. This thing just pumps. This thing just pumps, man. Above the moving averages, you know. Let's see if we can figure this one out. Yeah, maybe. It's close. It's very close. Fine. Bullish cross on the daily, nice. Looks like it's gonna get it for. Yeah, this looks nice, man. I like this one. I like RLC. RLC looks nice. It's hitting the resistance right now, but when it starts breaking, I'm gonna put this one up. Let's see. On the line, RLC looks nice. Run. Yeah, we are looking at trend. It is trending towards upside. Might be at some kind of bottom right now. How big are these moves actually? 44%. 78. Wow, these are some insane moves. 80, 70, 44%. But the volume is going up down here. The divergence is definitely kicking up here. So this is coming towards the end right now. This is going up. Wait a moment. Let's see the weekly. Weekly seems fine though. Weekly seems fine. Are you gonna break that nasty massive trend line we saw yesterday? I don't know, it doesn't look like it's gonna do it today. It's just, you know, consolidating right now. See, it's just consolidating. So yeah, this can take a while, I think. I think this can take a while. Is the all-time high the last resistance? Well, right now, you know, what is the all-time high? I think, you know, 60k is the weekly all-time high, which is nice. You can see here, not only did we go up to some kind of 63 level, but we pulled back to the, you know, this is a retest, guys. This is a retest. Also a very bullish move, guys. A very bullish move. Look at this. I'll go up there. This retest on the 60,000 level. See, 60,075. This level down here. Retest. Right now it's ready to, you know, do the move again. So you already have a retest right now on this. I'm going to show you where this line comes from. This is the weekly top. Right now we already had the retest. You can see the retest down here. looking at 1 hourly, see down here. So it might already right now be some kind of bottom down here, consolidating, and you know, continues towards the upside after that. It looks good. I don't see anything bearish about Bitcoin. That's why I'm so bullish on everything else, because Bitcoin is telling me right now, hey man, everything is bullish. Okay. Like this one. OMG also pumping. Bearish cross. Just pumping too much. BTC should be bullish for some while longer, provided BTC does run up. The local strategy into alts is not so bad, I think. Yeah, I think right now, you know, if this is, you know, big if, but you know, if Bitcoin continues towards the upside, it's good to be some kind of altcoins, because altcoin will definitely expand after that. That's a good question. I bought the top of Matic, man. It feels good. Kevman. Kevman likes to buy his tops. I don't know, man. OGN. Looks like sitting on some kind of bottom, right? This trend is broken, so this other one should be somewhere around here. This engulfing should be something like this. Up here, maybe this one, not this one, this one up here, something like this, give or take. Not close. Next, mana. I know some people that liked mana a lot. I don't know why, but you know. 5,000%, man. We gotta watch mana. We gotta watch mana. Any kind of coin that does 5,000%, man. We gotta watch that. This is engulfing, but you got nothing else after that, man. Down here. Can't be this one. So weird. Maybe. It corresponds well with 200 moving average, so it's nice. Let's go here. We're gonna keep the eye on mana, because mana did 5,000%, man. Sand is better than mana long-term thoughts. I have absolutely no clue what's better. Oh, there's so many coins, man. There's so many coins. BTC. Nah, I'm done for today, man. Almost 2 hours looking at coins, man. So what have we figured out? Breakout broke, Altcoin broke, SQL broke. Phantom is doing a nice bump. What's Phantom doing, by the way? Yeah, Phantom is doing nicely. Makes me wanna FOMO into Phantom. Let's see what I the Phantom. Altcoin beach session complete. Yeah, Altcoin research complete. Like, I don't have any, you know, I'm getting tired. I thought I'm gonna start with these, you know, bottom coins on my list, you know, but you know, so I never came up to the big coins, you know, interesting coins and stuff like that. Doesn't matter, you know. Tomorrow we do another session because you know there is a lot of coins to check out. Dogecoin, nothing, man. Engine 7% up. Why is 7% up? That's what I wanna know. Not quite yet there. Link. Uniswap, let's Uniswap, Chili's. Dogecoin, pink Bitcoin. Sushi is looking nice. Sushi broke this 50 moving average. It looks like he wants to go. Axie Infinity market has piece for itself compared to games that you know what's up. What is the market cap of Axie? $7 billion. Oh man. What's the market cap of Blizzard? You know, I think crypto is a big bubble, but you know, I don't care if it's a bubble as long as it's going up, you know. You know, when it gets deflated, you know, we're gonna buy the bottom again, no problem, man. It's not going away, you know, it's just there. Ethereum was almost about to break out and it didn't, unfortunately. Maybe it's waiting for tomorrow. SLP is the crypto inside Axie, but it's so low. Do you think SLP is bottom? SLP, the way what I heard is SLP is the currency inside the Axie game, and it's very inflation. The reason it's going down is because it's very inflationary. Blizzard 2020 revenue 8.9 billion. Yeah. What moon are we on? Right now it's the new moon, so we are waiting for the full moon on the 20th of October. That's gonna pump the price by at least 2000%. What's your thoughts on the Phantom? Looks good, man. Makes me wanna FOMO. It's been a while. Good to see you streaming once again. If you have time, could you check Engine Coin? %7 up. It's inside the triangle. Getting ready to go out. You know, this is the 200 moving average. After 200 moving average goes up here, and after that it goes up here, and after that it goes up here, and after that, you know, it's doing just the same. Everything else is doing. It's going inside this triangle, you know, and it's sitting in the middle of the triangle. It's getting close to breakout, you know, but you have to wait until breakout, you know, and then up there and then up there. It looks good. It looks just like everything else right now. How high do you think Dogecoin will rise? I don't know, man, but somebody's saying $5. Somebody's saying $10. I don't know, man. I don't have any kind of targets for anything. So is there anything else that's interesting on the chart right now? DYDX, index is Dow Jones. Dow Jones looks like it, you know, reversed. Dow Jones reversed, guys. There is no dumping. There is no dumping. There is no market crash. This looks like it's gonna go up. You know, it went down, and right now it's, you know, getting back up there. It's getting back up there. Let's see the monthly. Yeah, the monthly, man, went down to the 10 moving average right now. Maybe monthly is gonna dump us, but I don't know. How can you have a breakout with 1.3% pump, man? I don't see anything issues, like everything is really boring. Okay guys, that was the full moon. Blizzard market cap is 59.41 billion. So you think XE has a way to come up there? Okay guys, that's it for today. I'm done. I gotta go get some sleep or something, man. Cabman, thanks for joining, man. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you stopping by. It's by the way, Cabman, why are you not out, chasing girls? It's only 12 o'clock, man. Huh? Why not out chasing girls? I know why I'm not out, but why are you not out? Go ahead. Thanks for joining TF Fans Club, man. Oh, Bjornar is here as well. He was lurking in the background. Nice. Okay guys, see you around. I'm going to sleep. Bye bye.